Now, what do we have here? Beautiful horses. I'm going to assume that Wildfire, Michael Martin, I'm assuming the song's called Wildfire. And that's what he was calling this horse. I don't know. Let's get to this potential classic. I don't know yet. We got to watch it and see. I'm Krizz Kaliko, the only multi-gold and platinum rapper, singer, songwriter, producer, reacting to videos on YouTube. This is Closer to the Classics. Let's go. Y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not. This one comes via kind donation today. You guys want to make a suggestion via kind donation, click the link right down below. Or if you want to become a member of the channel, you can, no obligation, but you get to see these videos first and get all kind of other perks. Let's get to this one today, y'all. Wildfire by Michael Murphy, it says, but he said Michael Martin Murphy. He loves horses. He loves horses. I've recently been working with horses too, man. They are beautiful. Seems like a meditation video. All right, no words yet. I started daydreaming for a second. Because I've been working on a farm lately, with my with me becoming a country boy. I've been working on a farm lately, and it's been a lot of fun. And I just was reminiscing. I was sitting there stuck for a minute, reminiscing about when I've been working with these horses and shoeing them and taking care of them. It's been a great experience. You know what I mean?
She comes down from Yellow Mountain on a dark flatland. She rides on a pony she named Wildfire, a whirlwind by her side.
Y'all ain't have a video for this, man? You could have made a dope video for this, but I guess pictures is a little cheaper to do, so let me leave them alone.
On a cold Nebraska night, oh, they say she died one winter when there came a killing frost.
All right.
And the pony she named Wildfire busted down his stall. In a blizzard she was lost. She ran calling Wildfire.
Beautiful.
Calling Wildfire. Calling Wildfire.
Wow, what a sweet, endearing song. I did not expect to feel emotional listening to this song today. I'm like, okay. I'm going to get out of here without feeling emotional at all. But this is beautiful. Working with these horses that I've been working with lately made me get an appreciation for them. I realized they have like this certain energy. There's a certain energy, and then they can feel your energy. I used to be scared of them at first, but I'm getting more comfortable, and I know they can tell that. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I got a connection with them now, and this makes me feel that connection or reminisce on that connection that I've had with them. Amazing.
So by the dark of the moon I planted, but there came an early snow. Then
Where'd the owl come in play?
outside my window now
I thought it was about horses. I thought it was just about horses. Now you got a random owl in here.
About 6 nights in a row, she's coming for me, I know. And on Wildfire, we're both gonna go. We'll be riding Wildfire.
Yeah.
Riding Wildfire. Riding Wildfire. On Wildfire, we're gonna ride. Gonna leave.
I don't know where I've heard this somewhere in my childhood. Again, this reminds me, I remember I told y'all about parents picking me up. For some reason, people's parents was giving me rides places when my mom was working. And it just makes me think about like a neighbor girl or something. Like we used to walk to this store and then the neighbors would have to, we walked along the street that everybody coming into the neighborhood had to drive along. So we would hope that somebody would see us and give us a ride when we were walking. It reminds me of my neighbors giving me a ride home. And I feel like maybe they're playing this in their station wagon. I'm talking about the station wagons with the wood paneling along the side of them. Y'all remember that? That's what it makes me think of.
Gonna leave.
Yeah.
Question behind. Get the hard times right on out of our minds. Riding
Wow. It's a beautiful song, man. Super beautiful song, dude. Oh, I'm not done yet. Sorry. I'm ending it. What kind of animal is that on top of that mountain? I'm ending it, and it's still got about 30 more seconds of the song to go. Hold on. Piano solo time. Still beautiful. Oh, they're ending it like they started it. Michael Martin Murphey is a very talented person. I don't know if he had any other songs. I'm sure this song was probably really big for him. I don't know if he had anything else, but I remember hearing glimpses of that hook as a little kid, man, and so happy to be able to get closer to it, closer to the classics with you guys. Thank y'all for sitting down and watching the slideshow and listening to some music with me, man. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all on the next one. Cali, baby. See you. Bye.
Whose house?